with the thunder, baby, might just clap your crew.
What's happening, everybody? Welcome back to another video from Bolts to the Wall Trading. This is going to be my watch list video for June 6, 2018. For those new viewers, this is a channel I created to promote trading and to teach you how to trade and just to break down the barrier or the stereotype that trading is difficult. So I try to keep things simple, short and sweet, and just make you realize and make you see that trading is really not all that hard. If you are learning how to trade and you enjoy how I do things, please subscribe and like, and follow these videos. I have a free chat room. I'll leave the link in the description of the video. So feel free to join that chat room. It's through the Discord app. You can ask anything you want on there, and either myself or somebody else in the chat room will help you out and answer your questions. This is going to be again, like I said, my watch list for June 6th. And the way that I like to do these videos is I like to talk about day trading a little bit, give you the stocks that I'll be watching tomorrow, and then switch it over to swing trading and give you the stocks that I'll be watching tomorrow or for the next couple of days, since swing trading is a little bit different. One big announcement for everybody that has been watching my videos and that has been following me from the get-go. And even if you just started watching these videos and you enjoy how I explain things, or you find it easy to learn from how I like to do things, I am thinking of releasing a course, a full course on how to, basically I'm just gonna open up my brain and give you everything that I know, step by step, on how I like to find stocks, what the scans that I use, moving averages, how I look at things, how I analyze things, everything from A to Z, how I do things. And I will probably price it at $100, which is incredibly cheap. Again, I'm not doing this to get rich. There's courses out there that go for thousands of dollars, $500. That's really not my MO. I'm not trying to do that. I want people to trade. That's honestly all I want. So I figured if I do a course and I price it at a decent amount, which $100 is pretty fucking cheap, a lot of people will get it and learn how to trade. And if you don't learn how to trade, at least you'll be able to learn how to look at charts and things like that. So if you're interested, let me know, and then we can get the ball rolling on that. Alright, so as far as my day trading watch list, we are going to start with WFT, and I'm going to do this video fairly quickly because it's been a long day. So for day trading, what I like to see is I like to put it on a 1 day 5-minute candle, and what I like to do is I like to trade the high of the day. So in this situation, the high is $3.65. So I would draw a line right there, and if you want to get technical, that line would be a resistance line. So basically tomorrow, what we want at some point of the day, hopefully in the morning, but it could be any point, is for the stock to start curling back up, cross $3.65 with a good amount of volume, and that could send it upwards with a nice pop. How high can it go? Nobody really knows. Nobody knows what these stocks are going to do. It could go up 2 cents, it could go up 20 cents, it could go up $2. Nobody knows. Or it could go down $2, it could go down 2 cents. So just know that nobody knows what these stocks are going to do, and just because it does what we want it to do does not necessarily mean that it's going to take off all the time. So just know that when you are investing, there's always risk, and you have to be ready for that. ENDP is the next one. So again, we identify the high. Where's the high? Right here at $6.74. So that's where we would draw our resistance line. And the same thing applies to this one. We want the price to start curling up, and then at some point when the market opens tomorrow or during the day, it crosses $6.74 with good volume, and hopefully that will have it send the stock in a nice little pop. But again, nothing is guaranteed, and just because it meets our conditions does not mean that it's going to give us a gain of 20, 30, 40 cents. It could just go up a couple cents and then come right back down. TXMD is the next one. So the high is $6.65. And the reason I like this one, it's still moving around in the post market, and it's very close to the high of day of 665. So right now it is at around 658 and the high is 665, so it's very close. So again, you guys should know what to do by now. You draw your line at 665 and you keep an eye on this one tomorrow to see what it does. And the last one, SNES. All right, so this one had a pretty good day. It went up, kind of came back down a little bit, and kept it moving upward and even through the post-market session. So the high right now is at 195. I would want to put my resistance line at $2 because whole dollar and half dollar amounts are a big resistance point. So what do I mean by that? What I mean is if you put your resistance line at 195, and let's say tomorrow the market opens up and it crosses 195 and you buy in at 196, it could go up to $2, see some resistance and come right back down. So it's a much safer bet for you to get in above $2 at 201, 202, 203, somewhere around there, because it's breaking that big mental resistance point of $2. Whereas if you were at 195, it could go up 196, 197, 98, 99, and once it touches that $2 line, it could come down. But again, nobody knows what these stocks are going to do, but that's just one big thing that everybody knows, that whole dollar and half dollars amounts are a big mental resistance. So that's it for day trading, the stocks that I have for day trading. Switching it over to swing trading. Last time we left off, I made a video about the best swing trade that I've done, which was BKTX. I made I was probably like 150% up on that one. I like doubled my money. I bought at $4 and I got out close to $10, so it was pretty good. I have been in PTN for a while now. I got in right here, and that was on, you see the date right there, on 5/24. So I'm expecting this stock to come up and break out of this little triangle that I have drawn right here. We did have some good news yesterday. It got some FDA acceptance. It went off in the pre-market to like 130 something, but when the market opened, it just came back down, which is pretty weird. But again, I'm still in it. It hasn't reached my stop loss, which is somewhere around here. So we have to see what happens with this one. Last Friday, I got into MUFG, which should have been right here, 6-1. Which, yep, that was Friday. Again, another reason it's bouncing off of support right here. I got in right there. Yesterday it had a pretty good bounce day. Today is a red day. It's still trending to the upside though, so we're still good. And same situation, I wanted to come out of this triangle that you see right here. Man, it looks up pretty good right now, because the way I see it is like this. So it's trending to the upside. And yesterday, let me delete that. Yesterday I got into RIGL, and it has been really good to me. I got in right here at around $3.40, and as you can see, today it went off for a 33-cent gain, basically close to 10%. So again, it bounced off support. It gave me the buy signal that I like. I got in, and today it just had a beautiful day. Look at that candle. I mean, that's one strong candle. So I'm looking for this stock to keep that momentum. If it goes a little bit higher tomorrow, if it breaks $4, I'll be really ecstatic. Again, that whole dollar amount, and hopefully it can keep going and break or make a new high of above $4.71. So that's currently what I'm in. Let me see what I have checked off here as some of those stocks that I'm watching. CIG, this one's right at support. So I have to see how it behaves the next couple of days. It doesn't have the buy signal that I want yet. HMY, same situation. It's right at, actually, let me change that because I don't like where it's at. It should be right around there. So it's right at support, and I'm looking for another bounce. I'll have to see what it does tomorrow and the next couple of days. SRC, that still has a long way to go until it tests that support line. LPI, this one broke through support. We might have two situations here. We have two levels of support, so it depends what it does tomorrow. If it continues to goes down and tests this support, or if it rebounds tomorrow and starts going back up, it validates this level of support right here. So we have to wait and see what it does. HK, this one looks really good. I just wanted to come down a little bit more to that support line. RIGL, this is the one that I'm in. TRQ, I missed my opportunity here, but I'm gonna uncheck this one because I missed my opportunity. MBT, not really liking this level of support here, but ideally I would want it to come down to this level of support. I should delete this one because I don't really like that one, but we'll see what happens. PTN, that's the one that I'm currently in. PBI, no, that one doesn't look good anymore. HPR looks pretty good. Clear level of support right here off of this bounce, and I'm looking for it to do the same thing, so just want it to come down more and bounce back up. I'm really this is one that I really like to set up, so hopefully it continues to come down. ENIA, same thing, I want it to continue to come down, and that's about it. So that's all I got for you guys today. Again, if you are interested in learning everything from me from start to finish, A to Z, please let me know. Send me or leave me a comment, whatever you guys think it's easier, and or even in the chat room, and I'll see if I can get that course started for you guys. Again, I'm probably only going to charge $100 because I do want everybody to learn. I want to make this easy. I'm not like one of these people that just sees dollar bills and wants to charge you like $2,000 for something that's shouldn't be worth that. So let me know, and we can get started on that. Thanks again, everybody, for the support. Thanks for supporting this channel. Thumbs up, subscribe, and like. I appreciate all the support. I appreciate all the new subscribers. Let me know how I'm doing. Let me know if you're learning. Let me know if you have any questions and if there's anything I can do to help out. With that being said, guys, have a great night.